This is Tim Willis with ClickFunnels and Click Designs, and yes, that's Canva that you see on screen. It's Friday, so we're throwing all caution to the wind, because those people who know me know how I feel about Canva. But this is going to be an exception, and this is going to be a fairly short video, just on one aspect of Canva. Now, earlier today, I was playing around with Microsoft Designer, and I created some logos in there just to see what it would produce out. And so I thought I would run that in Canva through the Magic Media tool to see what happens. Now, I don't have the pro account for Canva, so I'm working completely free. I believe they have gone up in price. I believe it's about $19.99 or something like that now. It used to be, I think, $15. But anyway, I'm doing with the free version, so we're just going to take a look that if you want to use the free version, what are the limitations on doing that? So, we're on the main panel of Canva, and what we want to look for is the Magic Media section, which is going to be in Magic Studio. So it's right here on this left toolbar. And then you've got a whole bunch of stuff here. I haven't messed with it except for the text to image. We scroll down here, we have to go a little while until we get to this part here, text to image. Click on that, and it's going to give you a choice to try it out since we're in the free mode. Let's click on that. Right now it's set to be an Instagram post, but that really doesn't matter for what we're doing here. That'd be fine. Something where it's perfect for our use. And then we look over here on the left on our toolbar. We see that we have to add some words to describe what we're going to put out. We got a choice of styles and the aspect ratio. And in that sense, it's very close to what is in Click Designs, although that's a paid feature in Click Designs. But you can see they probably, I wouldn't say exactly copied, but they copied a lot from the Canva layout here. So, don't need to reinvent the wheel every time. So anyway, if we come down here to the very bottom, and this may be a little small for you, look, you have the little crown, which indicates, yeah, we want you to pay us something. And you see where I can make a picture and use 1 to 48 credits, and that's because I have made 2 images in the Magic Media part of Canva before. And there's a video where I showed that earlier along with some other AI image generators. So I've got 48 credits left. Now the deal on this is if you're a free user, you have 50 credits for life. And then after that, you're out. The people who have the Pro Canva account get 500 per month. So if you are going to use Canva to produce a lot of AI images, you're probably going to need to upgrade that Pro account. Since all I'm doing there is just going to run one prompt in here just to see how it compares to what Microsoft Designer came out with, I'm really not concerned about it. I'm just going to go ahead and burn another free credit. So let's go ahead. I've got the same prompt I used in Microsoft Designer. Here it's a very simple prompt. An image of a quarter moon surrounded by stars. Make the background dark blue. Make the moon image yellow. Punch that in here. We could choose to have a style. I'm just not going to. And we'll keep it to square aspect ratio. And we'll go ahead and generate the image. Okay, now you see that I'm down to 47 credits now. And I'm not particularly impressed with any of these images. I just want to do this as a comparison to see what we do. Obviously, we can pick one of these images. I guess this one is probably going to be the best of the lot. If we click on that, it will put it on our canvas, and we could go ahead and use it. I'm just going to go ahead and make it bigger, have it cover the whole canvas, and I might just post that as well just on comparison at some point with the other images I made in Microsoft Designer. But anyway, that's kind of a quick and dirty tutorial on how you can make text to image AI images in Canva, and also the restrictions you're going to have as a free user. So I just thought I'd throw that, do this quick little hit here, and that will be it for right now. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I also make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, ClickDesigns, other useful tools for funnel hackers and funnel hacking. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.